ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜಾರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Lalita Rao and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma. Coordinators are Pooja Murda, Sai Sudha and Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries, and support to elderly. Do you like traveling? How about traveling to the moon? My friends at Nightingales Medical Trust have prepared a skit which gives you the feel of going to the moon. When they went there, they had a surprise. Let us hear the skit from Regina and team now. The participants are Regina Robinson, Vasanta Rangamani, Shiv Guru, Padma Sriman, and Vijaya. Now, over to Mrs. Regina.
Hi friends, are you ready to fly in a rocket to outer space? If you are ready, get ready to buckle your belts and get ready for once in a lifetime trip. Let's go zooming and roaming. Zoom! Do you remember how old we were when Apollo 11 landed? Or I heard about you. Space travel has a very interesting, it has captured our imagination and superhuman endeavor of the space shuttle programs. Launches and satellites were broadcasting live in the Western countries as kids were find very happy their imagination and our interest in origin of space exploration. How welcome! Now I welcome you to a out of the world experience with the amusement astronauts of the Nightingale Medical Trust mission. Now we are going to present a skit, an adventure trip made by our astronauts of Nightingale Medical Trust mission Bangalore by name Miss Vasanta and Padma. They are going to the moon and they will return back. Of course, the trip to moon is a common feature nowadays, but the trip made by our astronauts, it's a wonder. So-called Apollo 2022 leap into the moon is a interesting and entertainment one to those who are going to hear now. Now, before going to the moon, they have to go and interview the commander-in-chief of the mission. He wants to interview both the astronauts.
Hello, Miss Padma and Vasanta. What is your experience in flying in the air?
Sir, when I was small, I have been to Vandala. I used to play the roller coaster, and even 50 years back, I did some skydiving.
Do you have any experience of a parachute gliding?
Yes, sir. When I was small and big high wall, I used to hold the umbrella and jump inside the compound and pluck so many mangoes.
Good. But I would like to know about your physical fitness.
Yes, sir. The Nightingale mission commander weekly thrice teaches us yoga on chair and sitting also, standing, jumping, drumming, pillow exercise, water bottle exercise, stick exercise, and etc. Sir. We have to practice rolling on the bed, balancing the pillow, etc. Even if we are not fit, the machine will make us feel that we are fit. After all, what matters is belief, not reality.
Good. I would like to know, are you afraid of going to the moon in this age?
Not at all, sir. Really excited. Our brain is very strong. The mission has taught us brainstorming, exercises, mathematical puzzles, etc. So, weekly 3 days, we learn all this. Absolutely no fear.
Both of you are selected for this mission. You have to take some training into the vessel first. So get going for the training. After completion of the training, you will be launched. This is known as Nightingales Mission 2022. The launching date is on 20th January 2022.
So they are going to get ready to go to the moon. They got trained and they keep themselves fit and they have equipped themselves with all the sufficient materials and they are entered in the vessel that is called eagle. So now they have entered, the door was closed and the eagle was separated from the earth and from 2022 and going towards the moon. It's going, it's going round and round. It's going high and high, but they find a new place. So they saw the moon planet and they are where to land. They are struggling. So waiting for the further command from the commander.
We are in the moon. Can we land, sir?
Yes, please, go ahead.
They, they opened the door and peeping out and stepped down from the eagle and find it difficult to move as on because
Sir, I know the gravity of moon is 6 times less than the earth, but still we find it very difficult.
That is why you have been trained in the vessel itself. The same condition will be applying there. Apply some more force.
Okay, sir.
Oh, we have landed in the moon, Vasanta. Come on, we will erect the national flag. Let's sing our national anthem. Jana Gana Mana.
when they are singing, two senior citizens have come to the place. Hearing the song, they are so happy to meet them. So they are talking with them, surprised to see them and going towards them. Vijaya,
Which,
Who are you both?
Who are you both? Came to our moonland.
We are astronauts from Nightingales mission. My name is Vasanta and she is Padma.
Oh, we came to explore here, expedite in the moon. In my young age, my grandmother used to feed me and tell, see, there is a grandmother sitting and making vadas in the moon. So now I have come to see the old lady. I am happy, Amma. Both of you are very kind to speak with us.
Oh, okay. My name is Vijaya and his name is Murugan. We are here since many years. Very cool place to live. How is your planet Earth?
Oh, it's horrible. Oh, that's another story. We are wearing N95 mask day and night, washing hands frequently, and maintaining 6 feet distance. This is our routine from 2020 March.
oh, is it so? But why?
This coronavirus came all the way from China and troubling us from 2020, sir. We thought it will relieve us this at least this year, but it has changed its dress and came as Omicron. We are sick and tired of this mask because without that, even my husband, children, grandchildren will not recognize me these days. Not only that, even my ear position has been moved little forward. Life has become very tough, sir.
Oh, that's very sad to know. Then how do you spend your time?
We have joined Nightingales mission, which trains us brainstorming, physical fitness, socializing sessions, storytelling, dilemma conversations, etc.
Oh, that's very nice. I wish I was could have asked to join you all in the class.
Don't worry, Amma. If our mission comes to know that there are human beings and habitation in the moon, they will set up one branch here too.
That sounds funny.
It's very nice meeting you, Vijaya and Murugan sir. Oh, we forgot the purpose of this trip, Padma. Let me collect some stones. You also collect some.
Yeah, I will collect some sand and weeds. Come on, it is time to leave.
Yes.
You, commander here, get into the eagle and come down towards the earth. It's time to start back.
They entered into the eagle and come down towards the earth planet. And welcome. They entered into the eagle and come down towards the earth and landed. Welcome. Well done, Padma and Vasanta. Hooray!
We have to give solid proof now to people on Earth of our visit, in particular to my husband, who believes that moonlighting is his monopoly.
Oh my God. How come I slept in the afternoon? What a wonderful dream it was. So realistic. It's already 2:45. I have to have my tea and get ready for my 3 p.m. class to share my daydreaming experience with my Nightingale friends. Hope one day the future senior citizens will be attending the classes in the Nightingale in the moon itself.
Thank you so much. We are thanking so much to the Nightingale Medical Trust mission giving us the opportunity to enact the skit in the radio program. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Regina and team. You all have enacted so well. We enjoyed your performances. Thank you for your support and efforts. Listeners, I hope you all enjoyed the program too. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries, and support to elderly. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such experience. Take care.
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.